Hi, I'm Ron Bevins. I'm the operations manager for Abacus Plumbing here in Houston, Texas. Today we're going to take a quick couple of minutes and talk about some important things that you as a homeowner can do to prevent your pipes from freezing at your home. So let's go ahead and take a look. There's several different options. First off, we can go to the Home Depot or the home improvement stores and you can purchase a manufactured foam cover and you can actually apply it directly over the hose bib and it actually will cover the complete thing, and it's styrofoam, so it's going to go ahead and protect it from the freezing. But reality is that a lot of times we're not prepared for that, and the home improvement stores, they've run out of them. I've made several calls, a lot of them are running short. If you have the opportunity to get it, great. If not, here's a couple of things that you can do in a pinch. Newspaper, wrap the newspaper around it, place a plastic bag over it and wrap it with a plastic bag. That's going to create an insulator on it. Another quick one is go ahead and take an old towel, get your duct tape. It doesn't have to be pretty. It's protecting the water, protecting your faucet. Here's a really important example of what I'm talking about when it comes to an exposed pipe. You've got a water line coming into the ground, you've got a water line going into the house, you've got a garden hose hooked up to it. One of the first things you want to do is go ahead and make sure that you disconnect the hose. The water inside this hose can freeze, it can damage this area here, and then the faucet is no longer good to use once you're done. So I want to make sure that we get this wrapped up. We've got exposed pipe here. We want to use an insulation. This one here comes with a piece of plastic tape on it. You peel it off. You cut it to the length that you're needing. You peel the plastic off the tape. You tape it up. Do the same thing at the top up here. Get your piece of insulation on there. Got it set up. And of course, we talked about, we've only got newspaper. Let's wrap the newspaper. Maybe put a plastic bag over it if we can get a plastic bag over. If not, we'll use some duct tape. There we go. This is a sprinkler check valve, and it's designed to make sure that any water that goes to your sprinkler system doesn't get transferred back into your house. These are plastic PVC pipes. They're full of water. We want to make sure that they're insulated. Before we insulate them, we want to make sure that we shut the valves off. These two devices here, crossways. Crossways, we've got them off. That's going to protect this if it does freeze from swelling up and cracking. We've got the exposed pipes. We want to do the same thing there. We want to go ahead and make sure we wrap it, make sure that any exposed pipes that we have everywhere in the house, make a walkthrough of the entire yard, check to see where your sprinkler system, if you've got one of these, check your water lines coming into your house. If you're on a pier and beam home, what you're gonna have is your house is gonna be raised up off the ground. What's gonna happen, you're gonna have a wind that's gonna run through here because on the other side of your home, you've got the open ventilation on the other side, you've got the crosswind running through there, and that's where you're gonna have your problems. What you wanna do is get yourself some cardboard or some type of protective covering over here, tack it into the wall here, duct tape it, whatever you can do to prevent that wind from crossing in and crossing underneath. If you need to have a professional come out and take care of the problem that you have, you can call Abacus Plumbing. We'll come back out, we'll take care of the problem for you, and we'll get there, and you can count on us.